What Obama did with Bill Clinton and program was keep me in a black box and have women and girls like Brooke Ingram all stand back, and they were not allowed to go over to the black box that they had me in, and they would do things like beat me up and make visual program virtual to where it gave me REM, rapid eye movement, eye blinks, and systematic eye blinks and movement. And they blamed me for hitting a little girl ever since I was in elementary, which carried out to my adulthood, which Kim Kardashian is the witness. In 2007, when they arranged with Inside Connections me to hit a little girl in my 1999 Lexus GS 300 that Brooke Ingram knows all about, Barack Hussein Obama and government of the United States of America, White Houses, with the CIA inside orchestrated hit on me, Jeffrey Stewart II. My mother, Iris Lynn Walker, has no belief or reality of in the know in this, and she is also held under mind control of Obama, Barack Hussein of 1961, as well as Bill William Jefferson Clinton, who is guilty with the CIA, Clinton administration, DARPA, U.S. military, all for illegal secrecy, and the Monarch King of Scotland, Monarch King Philip Mountbatten, who was also guilty of third-degree child murder and manslaughter and illegal creation of interhuman programming and world programming and life with DARPA. Also caught for racism, William Bill Jefferson Clinton in program with Earl Skidmore and Dr. Earl S. Skidmore of 1925 in the United States of America. Money laundering and racism in the United States of America, Nathaniel Jacob Charles Rothschild, also known as Nathaniel Charles Jacob Rothschild of 1936, and Judge Judith Blum. In the Illuminati, Nathaniel Jacob Charles Rothschild of 1936 hates anyone who uses tobacco, alcohol, drugs, or pharmaceutical over-the-counter medication. He hates them because then he'll get caught, or they'll find out his rule, and or also find out that he is a programmer of humans that are programmed. So today I'm saying on the 12th of June that I am not taking the medication. Also, Catherine Hudson, she is aware of the serial killers within the music industry, as well as Kesha Siebert. Kesha, the recording artist of Hollywood, she also is aware of the serial killers, not the musicians, but the actual Rothschild dynasty. Nathaniel Jacob Charles Rothschild of 1936, who hates when any one of us and others use alcohol, over-the-counter meds and abuse, tobacco, or drugs. I'm the most famous rapper, musician, because I found out all of this information above the CIA, Internal Affairs, DEA, FBI, the CIA, and DARPA. My name is Jeffrey Stewart II, Social Security number 551910638, prepared for federal court. Holy testimony. I just got put on medication on a date that can be specified by Stanford Hospital, and when I no longer take the medicine, I become delusional, and these delusions are created by Nathaniel Charles Jacob Rothschild of the Rothschild dynasty, 1936 born, and he is a serial killer. This is something that doctors do not even believe because they know nothing about it, nor do they know anything about the Hollywood music industry or entertainment business or show business or the quote-unquote show. I myself, Jeffrey Stewart II, would like to bring forth witnesses who I have the names of, as well as Iris Lynn Walker, who is my mother, who knows nothing of the Hollywood music industry or handlers within it. But she is aware of my very studious work to bring forth justice in the United States of America with all of my documentation and printings that I have been doing since 2015 to bring justice and liberty to the United States of America and cheated and put to early death celebrities and citizens. If you take the medicine, you do not see the delusions. But if you do not take the medicine, you see the delusions, and you see you punching people and performing violent acts, and others can even pick up on it and to it for their senses to feel and even see. And if you take the medicine, Nathaniel Rothschild of 1936 gets back to his job of making these delusions reappear for people to see and sense and even feel. Okay, Mom, on the inside of my head, it looks like real life. And I've seen it when I was a child throughout my life, rarely. But it looks so real, you think that you're there. It is what dreams are made upon. And the CIA knows this, and I am not happy with our government because they keep it secret. But it is no longer top secret of the CIA, and this is all federal holy testimony ready at any time for federal court. And it has been said that when people die, it is what eternal life is. And the White House's Internal Affairs Department, the CIA, DARPA, and the DEA, and again, Internal Affairs, they know exactly what I'm talking about in reference to this inside of my head reality that is CCC, Central Intelligence, and Artificial Intelligence, where dreams are made upon, and there is a crowd and audience of people from London, England, Scotland, and Paris, and all over the United States of America.